Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right
guys, welcome to Patois Chronicles. Of course, Bread Basket Parish, yes sir, is St. Elizabeth. My mommy was nested from down there, God bless her soul. When it means Bread Basket, you can find every little thing, fruits down there. So now 3-seater, yes sir, watch this entire video now. Boom. Come back to Patois Chronicles, of course. So, taxi man come visit him friend, knows a town. Saying, you know what happened? Him buck up on a road right now, so he can bring it to my tourist peeps. Welcome, welcome. You're not ready, Fatty? Or you can say, you're ready? And if you hear somebody say Fatty in Jamaica, but I talk about feeling to it also, boy. Oh my God, so me for go work out. All when you just have a little up belly. Yo, Fatty, yo, Maga man, you ready? So taxi driver, he might look a load cause he might go visit nose. So you might say Nisha with his nose. But see sentence say, and wait me in the English language now. Are you ready? Are you ready? You're ready? No, you're ready is not English languages. Are you ready? Do you want to come on in? I'm going to town. Come on in. Or you can say, so you hear them say, you're ready? Mean, are you ready? That's what the simple thing, alright? So no matter first time fight about it, no, alright? So say it now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Alright, so next one on the agenda. See him drive and come pick you up there. 3-seater, yo, yes sir, with seat. Come 3-seater, yes sir, with seat. Come forward. Come now. Yo, father, Ella, come here. We're gonna film car. Come. We can't jump out. Anyway you go, we can't jump out right there, sir. Oftentimes when you're in Jamaica, they will tell you they will drop you right at your destination. Don't be. And I say it work. So when you come here, pay attention. Alright? And tourists, I love it, you know, I love my country, but I have to tell you the truth of what I want. So when you come here, you hear them say, they're not going to say 3, they're going to say 3-seater, yasso, with seat. I don't know why would they repeat the seat, because seat in it all. Alright, now in English language, this means there are 3 seats in this car. Can I take you to your destination? Please have a seat. Can I take you to your destination? Please have a seat. When you come here saying a Jamdung, yo, 3-seater, come here. Hey, come. Hey, no, don't go for this. Come. Right now, so next one on the agenda, fix up yourself around the back here. So look here now, guys. When you come here to Jamaica, you will be in the car around the back or in the front. Fix up yourself, man. You don't mind what you mean fix up myself? But I'm looking all good. Wait, something in my face, something's in my teeth. No, it's simple mean for you adjust your body. You could have tiny little like more, you could have like skinny like a whip. It means if you adjust your body so somebody else can come in the car. And so oftentimes they want to put 4 and 5 on the back. So you come to Jamaica, you want one full seat for yourself. Alright, one car. But it's fun to be in it because sometimes you laugh because it feel like say your bottom the on somebody side or somebody's side that take over the whole of your body. And guess what? Enough fear. But in an English language it means can you adjust yourself around the back please, or can you go over a little bit more? I'm a bit uncomfortable in Jamaica, you know, nobody say I'm uncomfortable, you know. You want to go to your destination, you gotta sit yourself. So adjust yourself. Yo, Fatty, small up yourself round about the small up yourself now, I go double the fear. I double the fear now, Fatty, so small up yourself, small up yourself. Yo, so you come here Can you adjust yourself? So guys, of course, you know, so the Patois video I got done because you hear this right now. Patois Chronicles. Yes, in a Jamdung JA. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys on Thursday at 6 p.m. Jamaican time. And if you want to join my membership, reach out to me. Yeah, the perks, them. I'm gonna say. Alright then. So of course I'm gonna be in every morning at 6 a.m. Check me out in the morning glory. Now so my members, the super chat and the super sticker them. Thank you. Bye.